Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my sl8. Here it is. I think it's like a civilian version of the G36. So I also have a G36. So please check that out as well. And please check out my other video as well. And please consider subscribing. So yeah. So first you need a square sheet of paper like so. And you want to start out with a boat base. So first I'm going to fold a water bomb base, then sink the top of it to make the boat base. Okay, so you want to fold it in half like so. Then you want to fold it in half again like this, and you want to open up this pocket right here and fold that down. Okay, then you want to flip it over to the other side and do the same thing onto this square right here. So you want to open up this pocket right there, then fold that down like so. And then you want to bring this point right here to this edge on top right there. So follow the center crease line and bring this all the way up like so. Okay, then you're going to sink this inside. Okay, so open that up and open up the whole model like that. And you see that smaller square in the middle. Okay, so fold down all the crease lines. So mountain fold all the crease line here. Okay, and now you're going to fold the crease line in the center. So fold this down. Then fold the other one down. Okay. Then flip it over to this side. So the shorter side should be in the bottom. Okay. And now fold this whole thing in half. Okay, so bring the bottom towards the back side. Okay, like that, up to the top. Like that. And now fold the front portion, so this is going to be the front of the gun, in half again to make a crease line right here. So just up to the middle, okay? So you don't have to fold the back side. So fold that in half, just up to the middle, like that. Okay, to make the crease line. Just make sure you press it down a bunch. Okay, like that. Okay, and now bring the bottom flat and fold it to the other side like that. Then now fold that same flap down all the way down like that. And now you see that crease line in the middle. So you see this back side. You're gonna sink this inside, okay? So kind of pull this down a little bit so you can see that triangle on top. As you can see right there. And you see that side crease line. So fold those crease lines that we just folded up to that triangle. Okay, like that. Make sure the edge is kind of on the center crease line. Okay, and now fold right across there. Then you're going to fold it down onto the gun. Okay, like that. And you're going to bring the top flap right here and fold it all the way up. Like so. So this is going to be the top rail right there. And then you want to zigzag fold right in the front. So you see right here, give a little bit of space in front. So fold this forward like that, then fold it back out like that. Okay. And fold this whole thing in half. So you see that crease line in the middle. So fold that up. And then bring this front corner to the corner in the middle right there. Okay. Like that. Okay, then slant this down so that the corner touches the bottom edge. Like so. Okay, then zigzag fold it back forward. That. Then you want to fold this front portion in half. So bring the bottom edge right up to the top. Okay. And then you want to fold in that tip all the way up to that corner right there. Okay. That was uneven. Let me try. Yeah. Then you want to fold this barrel in half. Okay. Like that. And you see this corner that sticks out, kind of fold in that corner, but leave a little bit of that portion sticking out. Okay. And now you see this corner right here. So if you look right here, you see this corner right there. You want to fold that right up to the bottom edge right there. Okay, so you see how this corner lines up with the bottom edge right there. And now you see this crease line, you want to fold that inside here. Okay, right up to the bottom edge, and fold this whole backside down. So this is going to be the magazine right there. And bring this whole flap down. Okay. And now you see this triangle right here. You want to fold in that triangle. So pre-crease it like that and fold this inside. And now you want to fold this down like that where this flap is, and zigzag fold it back out like that and flip it over to this side. And you see this edge right here, you want to fold that up like that. Then flip it over to the front and fold this flap out like that. And you see that little corner, just rest it right in this pocket right there. Okay, should look something like this. And then fold this forward like so, and fold this whole thing in half. So bring this bottom edge down to this top edge, I meant, down to the bottom. So if you flip it onto this side, you can see here. Then fold the top rail in half again, okay? Except leave that corner up. It's gonna be hard. Then fold that whole portion down. And adjust it as you go. Okay, then you want to fold up that corner to make the front sight. Okay, and here's my sl8. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.